only one ingredient sorbet. So I took one small pineapple and cut it up and put the whole entire thing, even the core, in my blender and blended it up, froze it overnight, added nothing else except for the pineapple, and now I'm gonna spin it on sorbet and see how it comes out. Okay, so I have it on full, I have it on sorbet, and we're gonna spin. Absolutely delicious. Just pure pineapple, nothing else added at all. And it comes out absolutely perfect in the Ninja Creami Deluxe. I'm gonna enjoy this. Everybody have a happy 4th of July.